everyone and welcome to our new video. Today we'll discuss about foods to eat during your period for better health. As women, our menstrual cycle can be tough on our bodies. Hormonal changes can leave us feeling tired, bloated and moody. But did you know that what you eat during your period can make a big difference in how you feel? Here are some foods to consider adding to your diet during your period for better health and comfort. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is a great source of magnesium which can help reduce menstrual cramps and improve your mood. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach and kale are packed with iron which can help fight fatigue and anemia during your period. Next one is ginger. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory that can help alleviate menstrual cramps and reduce nausea. You can consume a cup of ginger tea during your menstruation cycle. Bananas. Bananas are high in potassium, which can help reduce your water retention and bloating during your period. They also contain magnesium, which helps in reducing the severity of period cramps. Whole grains. Whole grains such as brown rice and quinoa are high in fiber and can help regulate digestion during your period. Some women get yeast infection during menstruation cycle. Yogurt is a prebiotic rich food which helps to fight yeast infection in vagina. Incorporating these foods into your diet during your period can help alleviate symptoms and improve overall health. Remember to drink plenty of water and listen to your body's need. Now we'll discuss about which foods not to eat during periods. Spicy and salty foods. Consuming too much spicy food can cause stomach pain and nausea. Eating salty foods causes water retention, which can cause bloating. Refined grains. During periods, pasta, maida bread and noodles should be avoided as they increases blood sugar level and interfere in your appetite control. Coffee. Excess caffeine too causes water retention in your body and leads to stomach pain. One should avoid coffee during periods, especially if having diarrhea during periods. Alcohol. Consumption of alcohol during periods causes dehydration, which can cause headaches and stomach bloating. It also causes digestive problems like diarrhea and nausea. So avoid consuming alcohol during your periods. Red meat. Red meat contains prostaglandins, which causes uterus contract and result in menstrual flow. High level of prostaglandins causes period cramps and aches. Eat well, feel well and be well.